In this video, we're breaking down the step-by-step process of archiving orders in Amazon. But first things first, you need to know that you can only archive an order through their website. So to do this, begin by opening the Amazon website, and if you haven't logged in already, then make sure to do so. So after logging in, click on the Returns and Orders option in the top right corner, and then navigate to the Your Orders section. This is like your digital filing cabinet for all your past transactions. Now, take a moment to browse through and pinpoint the specific order or item that's ready for archiving. Okay, so once you locate the order that you wish to archive, find the option labeled Archive Order and click on it. And that's it. That's basically it. Your order is no longer in the main order history. But no need to worry as it's not gone forever. You can still find it easily in the Archive Order section. It's like having a separate shelf for things you don't need to check often. And here's a little pro tip for you. Feel free to repeat this process and archive more orders whenever you feel the need. This is like giving your order history a spring cleaning whenever you want to keep things look sleek and organized. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.